Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Cookies store small pieces of data in the browser for session and preferences. They enable login state, cart contents, and user language choices. Classify cookies as essential, performance, functionality, and marketing categories to guide handling. Essential cookies are required for core features and should not be blocked. Performance cookies measure load time and errors to improve speed. Functionality cookies remember choices like theme or font size for 30 days. Marketing cookies track interactions across sites to show relevant ads and measure campaign ROI. Set cookies with secure, HTTP only, and same site equals strict or lax depending on need. Use expires or max age to set lifetime, for example 30 days or 1 year, based on purpose. Prefer same site equals strict for critical cookies and same site equals lax for cross-site safe flows like payment returns. Mark HTTP only to prevent JavaScript access for security. Mark secure to require HTTPS transport and reduce interception risks. Encrypt sensitive values server-side before setting cookies and avoid storing plaintext passwords or card numbers. Present a clear consent banner that distinguishes essential versus optional cookies for user choice. Describe cookie categories, purposes, and data recipients in concise language on your policy page. Offer granular opt-out controls so users can disable marketing and performance cookies separately. Store consent records for 12 months unless local law requires a different retention period. Provide a settings panel to change preferences anytime and honor do not track where applicable. Regularly audit cookies with automated scans and test behaviors in multiple browsers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.